Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free McDonald's points with a modded version. So at the moment I got 320 points and I'm going to go on to this modded menu and enable unlimited points. And now they should start going up. So let's see, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free McDonald's points in 2025 with this method, guys. It actually is providing this insanity, bro. That is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we have to do is download the mod. It's on this site, tweakmod.com. This is the website right here. So go up to the search bar, type McDonald's. You know how it is, bro. You know how it is. So there you go. Press install and you're done. So that's how to download it. It does download pretty good. So yeah, before it downloads, there's a verification you have to do. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete instructions. So they're 100% free from official app store. So let me show you how to do it because it's pretty easy. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So we're just going to wait for it to load. So yeah, it's the website, by the way. So that's how to get it. So there we go, guys. It's downloading, brothers. It's downloading. What the heck? So there, missing files. So this is the missing files. So this is the verification I talked about. What we have to do is download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. They're completely free from official app store, no jailbreak. So just download 2 of them and then do what they say, and then you will literally get the McDonald's mod. That's it. Now, the apps you see are going to vary depending on who you are. So if you're in an iPhone in Australia compared to an Android in India, the apps are going to be different because there's different apps in different countries. But anyway, that's how to do it. So as you can see, I got unlimited points, skip ads, anti-ban, all this stuff. Super amazing, guys. I would 10 out of 10 recommend this if you need McDonald's points, which a lot of people do. Now, McDonald's points actually let you get free food, free drink. It's all free. So why would you ever be interested in buying McDonald's food without McDonald's points? But the way you earn McDonald's points is through buying food. But with the modded version, you can get unlimited points without actually buying any food. So it's completely free. So that is super cool, guys. So that is the website, tweakmod.com, brothers. There is going to be some other mods on there. So if you are interested in games or something like that, you might find it there. So that is pretty wild, but yeah, you just got to download it, and it will basically take you to that verification page, and you just got to download it and wait for it to install. So I'm not interested in like weird stuff, but I was willing to do it for you, and that's who I am. I'm a McDonald's points guider. I'm gonna guide you to the free points. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. I'm gonna make sure you don't jailbreak your device unnecessarily. That's not part of this. This is a phone method without a computer. There's none of that involved. It works on iOS. It works on Android. No one can tell you it doesn't work until you've tried it for yourself. So that is how to get McDonald's points 2025 today. It is really a modded version for your phone, guys. So just download it and do 2 apps, and you should be all set. So I'll see you later, and peace out, bros. It actually works. There's big instructions below the apps. It can't be missed. So I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out, bro.